welcome back to LOPO's channel. I'm Zoe. In today's video, I'm going to show some really easy Christmas sublimation crafts. This is just to help you get inspired and give you some ideas. Also, all of this will definitely work as gift ideas. I'm so excited for we have so many more fun things coming up for Christmas. So if this is the first time for you to be here at LOPO's channel, thank you so much for watching, and also be sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. So let's go ahead and get started with first craft. As all of our old customers knew that our linen Christmas stocking had been a big hit for years and years in the market. So is there something new regards the stocking? The answer is yeah, which is the stocking that made for our lovely family pet. As we know, pet is becoming a very important family member for more and more families. So how could we forget to prepare a gift for them? So let us check more details about it. Firstly, instead of using linen, we use more softer, super popular these years, which we call sublimation chopping material. And we made it as flat as it could be, so that you can do full printing, which make finished products to be much more nicer. And the last, you can use your washing machine to wash it for any times as you like. Okay, let's move into printing diamond. The next DIY gift would be perfect for those who want to do their own design and join on mug or other products. That's sublimation marker. There are 2 packs of color you can choose, like 12 and 18 colors. And I get the 18 colors for I really like neon colors. They come in 2 0.5mm nib, 1 medium nib, and 2mm large nib. So I can use them according to my design. They are great for use on sublimation type items such as polyester t-shirt, tiles, little coasters, nice mugs, money boxes, all those kinds of really fun things, and most importantly, they will not fade. Christmas ornament had been in this market for many years, and this year LOPO came out with textile style using filled material and has the most sellable shapes, which is including square, round, heart, and oval. It would be packed as 10 pieces back, then put it into a nice white box. You may can reuse it white box after printing to shape the printed ornaments to your customers. Okay, let's move into printing diamond. And the next one is aluminum sublimation photo panel. It's a perfect way to display your picture with beautiful vibrancy in high resolution. And now I'm going to print 3 by 5 inches and 7 inches sublimation photo panel. You can mention that there's no big difference between sublimation photo panel with log color and wooden ones. The 3 by 5 inches one is a hinged product. It's super convenient for you to fold it or change the direction. So what's your favorite Christmas gift? Sublimation marker, aluminum sublimation photo panel, Christmas stocking, or Christmas ornaments? I'm so torn about it because I absolutely love the way they turned out. And I personally love this sublimation blank. Various kinds of aluminum and metal ornaments like the round, bell, and so on. Lantern lights, different sizes of bags, plastic Christmas balls, and Christmas stockings with red and green. And you will find that link in the description below this video. And if you want to purchase these Christmas blanks, you can visit our website or drop down the comment section as well. If you like this video, if it helped you, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already headed over to our YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button. Trust me, you don't want to miss any of those. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.